In this video, I'll show you how you can create Streamlit dashboard or Streamlit application for your machine learning models or deep learning models. I'm using Joblib library for loading my models, and you can install Joblib using pip install Joblib command. And I have created a very simple linear regression model for this video, and I'm not going into much details but just showing you what's happening here and creating the dataset also on my own. I just created a list containing 0 to 99 integers and then created two variables here, m and c, and used the line equation y is equal to mx plus c for creating our output value, which is y. This is the x or feature value, which is a pandas data frame, so that we can use it with our model. Directly using list won't work. Then I'm just getting a train test data set using train test split, and this is how x train shape looks like. Just contains one column. And then I'm creating our model, which is linear regression one, very simple without any hyperparameter or anything else. Then I'm training it using the fit method and passing x train y train values, and this is ypred store the predictions made by our model for x test, and you can see this is how y test looks like, and this is predicted value by model, and they both are same. As this is very simple model, its accuracy would be around 100%. Just this thing is required for creating a this .pickle, which is a pickle file, which we are going to load here for loading our model. And for doing that, I'm importing Joblib and this command joblib.dump model that you want to create pickle file for, which is this one, and then a file name. I'm giving it linear regressor.pickle. This pickle file basically contains the parameters and this model information, so you can easily load it in your Streamlit application. I'm importing the required libraries here and loading this model using joblib.load command. So these two commands you need to learn. .dump command for creating this pickle file. I have to pass our model and the file name. Then just pass the file name here to load the model. It's that simple. Then I'm giving a title to my app and taking the input from user using text input, and this could be different for you. You might need users to upload a CSV file or something else. For the ease, I'm just using this simple method. Then if user entered something, then I'm just creating a list of those values by splitting over comma. So user is expected to write some values here like this one. Then I'm creating the list into a pandas data frame so that I can use model.predict on it. And these are our predicted values that I'm displaying using st.write. And you can match if it's working well or not. 2 is x value is 2, then 2 times 2 is 4, plus 5 is 9. So that equation mx plus c should give the y value, which is given here. These all would be correct values that's expected from our model. So that's it you need for using your machine learning models in your Streamlit application. Now this was very simple case, and you might have to do data pre-processing or something else that's required for your application. That can be done easily in multiple ways. Either you can create the pre-processing functions here or load them from somewhere else, but the basic concept of loading models is super easy with this Joblib. That's it for this video. Thank you.